Hi, today I will do unboxing a keyboard from Logitech. First, let us unpack it. So this is the package keyboard, well wrapped in a bubble wrap. Okay, this is the keyboard model from Logitech. Model is K120. This is a plug and play USB keyboard. At the back, there's nothing except that it shows you the profile with rugged good looks, and then plug and play USB connections, and feel good typing. So you have keyboard features here. If we zoom it, so right there, split resistance design, durable key up to 5 million keystrokes, strong adjustable teeth leg, plug and play USB connections, num lock, caps lock, scroll locks, indicator lights, and no software installation is required. So that is a typical keyboard. Nothing else written here. It is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8. Both is written here. It comes with USB, and what is in the box, you will find the keyboard and the manual and so on. 3 years limited hardware warranty. So you have 3 years hardware warranty. If you have any failure, you can refer to the manufacturer during this period. Alright, let's unbox it. It feels quite well packaged and it's quite sturdy. Oh, there's a you have the keyboard in the plastic and with a manual. Okay, so this is the keyboard looks like. It's pretty a normal keyboards. You have the button, and the button feel sturdy, spring, and quite comfortable. Okay, well fixed, and yeah, no shaky. Quite good quality. It's all the keyboard, numpad, and so on. And I purposely bought wired keyboards here so that I don't have to use any wireless devices and reduce any transmissions, wireless transmissions, radiation, and so on. And it comes with Logitech manual. It's just a Logitech important safety, compliance, and warranty informations. This is what you get when you buy these keyboards. This is the front part of the keyboards. The back part of the keyboards, you will have, this is the tilt leg, and there is a pad here to make the keyboards prevent the keyboard from moving while you are typing. Okay, so overall, yeah, it looks like a good keyboard to me. Okay, thank you very much for watching.